Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed, and in this video we're going to talk about tarpeting levels in Exchange. Now this applies to Exchange 2010, 2013, 2016 and 2019. So essentially, what is tarpeting? It's basically like a safety mechanism where you have a pause of mail that can be sent from, let's say, a malicious user, etc. So to find out what your tarpit levels are, there's a command you can type, get-receive connector, and then we were looking for the name and the tarpit level. So as you can see, there is a 5-second delay except for the outbound proxy on all the connectors, and the one we're looking at specifically is the default connector, the default front end. Now I've put together a script here where you can actually set the tarpit to none, the max acknowledged delay to none, the inbound connections to unlimited, and the max inbound connection per source to unlimited, and finally max inbound connection percentage per source. Now if you're in the hosting space, you don't really want delays on mail, so in this example we are only targeting a specific server. I didn't type just get-receive connector and then set, which will then obviously set everything. So if we copy this command and head over to the shell and paste it, copy, you can see how quick it runs. Now we can go and verify that. You can now see that on the A server, the default front end is set to none. There's no delay on here. Obviously, if you want to change it back, you can just run the same command again, and you can change the times to what the default was here. So, for example, on my second server, you can see the default front end is set to 5 seconds. You can always change this back to 5 and rerun it, and it will set everything back. Thank you very much for watching.